In this video we are going to talk about 5 plants that can eat animals or kill humans. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Plants may appear to be harmless, but they can contain some of the most lethal poisons known. Poisonous plants have been responsible for human deaths throughout history, from Socrates' death from poison hemlock to toddlers accidentally ingesting deadly nightshade. With this list, you may learn about some of the most infamous plants and their toxins. Number 5. White snakeroot, Ageratinaaltissima. White snakeroot, a seemingly harmless plant, was responsible for the death of Abraham Lincoln's mother, Nancy Hanks. White snakeroot is a North American herb that produces flat-topped clusters of little white flowers and contains tremetol, a poisonous alcohol. Nancy Hanks was poisoned by merely sipping the milk of a cow that had grazed on the plant, unlike individuals who have perished from directly consuming dangerous weeds. Indeed, the toxin can be passed to humans through poisoned cattle meat and milk. Loss of appetite, nausea, weakness, abdominal discomfort, reddish tongue, abnormal blood acidity, and mortality are all symptoms of milk poisoning. Fortunately, farmers are increasingly aware of this potentially fatal hazard and are working to remove the plant from animal pastures. Number 4. Castor Bean, Ricinuscommunis. The castor bean is a lovely African plant that is widely planted as an ornamental. While the processed seeds provide castor oil, they also contain the poison ricin, which is lethal in small doses. The castor bean plant's leaves are hazardous as well, causing muscle tremors, ataxia, and excessive salivation. Animals that consume the leaves are rarely killed. In warmer regions, this annual or short-lived perennial can grow to be a small tree. A youngster can be killed with just 1 or 2 seeds, whereas an adult can be killed with up to 8. Ricin causes severe vomiting, diarrhea, convulsions, and possibly death by blocking the synthesis of proteins within cells. The poison was used to assassinate Georgy Markov, a Bulgarian journalist who spoke out against the government, in 1978, and has been mailed to various U.S. politicians in unsuccessful terrorism attempts since then. Accidental ingesting by children and pets is the leading cause of death. Number 3. Rosary Pea, Abrusprecatorius. The rosary pea is native to India and portions of tropical Asia. For many years, it has been frequently utilized as a decorative plant in Florida settings. If consumed, the rosary pea is extremely toxic and can be lethal. The roots are used to induce abortion and treat abdominal discomfort in their native region. Rosary pea produces abrine, one of the most lethal plant poisons. Humans can die from as little as 0.00015% poison per body weight, according to studies, a single seed. The fatal toxin appears to have little effect on birds, as they effortlessly disseminate rosary pea seed. This plant's seeds are so regular in size and weight that they're used as weight standards as well as to produce jewelry, such as rosaries. These piously named seeds, sometimes known as jaguarity beans, contain abrine, a highly lethal ribosome-inhibiting protein. Rosary peas are tropical peas that are frequently used in jewelry and rosaries. While the seeds are not poisonous when whole, they can be fatal if scratched, cracked, or chewed. It is reported that many jewelry makers have become ill or died after inadvertently pricking their fingers while working with the seeds, as it only takes 3 micrograms of abrine to kill an adult, which is less than the quantity of poison in 1 seed. Abrine, like ricin, hinders protein synthesis in cells and can lead to organ failure in as little as 4 days. Number 2. Oleander, Nerium Oleander. Oleander is a lovely shrub with brilliant blossoms that was first described by Pliny the Elder in ancient Rome. Despite its popularity as a hedge and ornamental plant, the oleander plant contains lethal cardiac glycosides known as oleandrin and nerine in all sections of the plant. When dry, oleander is poisonous. The majority of poisonings occur when animals come into contact with clippings or fallen and dry leaves. Misguided feeding or mishandling of clippings from a trimmed or chopped oleander hedge can thus be a substantial risk issue for cattle. Oleander has also been found in a range of forages, including beet and other vegetable grains, as well as hay. Oleander can cause vomiting, diarrhea, abnormal pulses, seizures, coma, and death if consumed, and contact with the leaves and sap is known to irritate some people's skin. The poisons in oleander are so potent that individuals have become sick after eating honey generated by bees that visited the blooms. Fortunately, fatalities from oleander poisoning are uncommon because the plant is extremely unpleasant, deterring anyone from trying the plants. Number 1. Tobacco, Nicotianatabacum. Tobacco is the most frequently produced non-food commercial plant on the planet. The deadly alkaloids nicotine and anabasine are found in all parts of the plant, especially the leaves, and can be fatal if consumed. Nicotine from tobacco is widely consumed around the world and is both psychotropic and addictive, despite its classification as a heart poison. It's extremely poisonous, with a deadly dose of 60 mg. Cigars contain around double that amount. When nicotine is breathed through the use of tobacco products, 90% of what is inhaled is absorbed. The liver deactivates the majority of nicotine ingested, 80 to 90%, which is then eliminated by the kidneys. Increased usage of liver enzyme activity responsible for nicotine deactivation leads to tolerance. Tobacco usage kills more than 5 million people every year, making it the most lethal plant on the planet. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.